Hi! In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 7, and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto rotation. Begin by opening tab menu and looking for auto rotate icon. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, auto rotation is now on, but you can always switch it off by clicking on the same icon again. If you want to, you can also go into settings instead, tap on display section and scroll down just a bit. Then click on this switcher next to auto rotate screen to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!